Okay, so we're going to find x. Locate x, that's the side, right? We're going to use trigonometry. That's just a hint for you. Here's the angle we need to work with. That's a given angle. So that angle here, I want you to point to the O. Okay, here's the 90. So this is H, and this is A. All right, now over here on this paper here, this is what I want you to start writing. All right, I want you to put, all right, you're going to use O and H, that sine. So I want you to write sine 35 degrees is equal to x over 50, comma x. All right, now I want you to go to menu 3.1. All right, menu 3.1. Give me the answer. X equals what? Okay.